Check out this 2004 Ford F-150 Heritage. This F-150 Heritage has just under 51,500 miles. For your protection, a service contract is available. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 16 on the highway. This F-150 Heritage boasts a 5.4-liter engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the 4-speed automatic transmission with odd, standard, bedliner and the unique cloth leather front 40/60 split bench seat. Call 813-777-4242 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.